Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to define modulus x equals to a certain number a, and how to and further solving absolute value linear equations. Okay, so how we are going to define this thing? So if it's 0 over here, and if it's a over here and minus a over here, okay, modulus x equals a means that we want this one or this one. Since it's equal, it means that exactly the distance is a and or minus a. So it means x equals a or x equals minus a. Okay, as you can see here lah, this is what we want. This is x equals a, and this is x equals minus a. So we can use this fact to change the form of modulus into this form that we can solve the value from. Yeah. So let's proceed with the exercises. Okay, the examples over here. Okay, now okay, the first one is the modulus of 2x equals 5. Okay, I'm going to share with you a technique, what I call a copy-paste technique. The copy-paste technique is the one that we adapt from the definition, okay, of modulus, of absolute values. Okay, the how to do it is just, okay, we copy everything here except the symbol of absolute values. We change it into bracket. Okay, so over here it's 2x equals 5, right? Since 2x is the modulus 1, we change it into bracket. So bracket 2x equals 5. Or just the same thing, bracket 2x equals 5. Okay, but since modulus is either positive or negative, so we do like that. Okay, now then we can solve it further. On the left hand side, x is 5 over 2. On the right hand side is x minus 5 over 2. So this is how we solve it. Okay, now let's move on into to B. B is modulus 2x minus 7 equals 4. We use the same technique lah. Okay, bracket 2x minus 7 equals 4, or minus 2x minus 7 equals 4. Okay, so we solve it. 2x is 11, x is 11 over 2. This one is minus 2x plus, so minus 4 minus 7 is minus 3. X is 3 over 2. Okay, now let's move on to the third one, C. Okay, so we have 3x minus 5 equal, minus 5 modulus equals 9. Same thing as well. 3 bracket x minus 5 equals 9, or minus 3 x minus 5 equals 9. You maybe wonder why we put the negative in front of 3. Okay, no worries, because in front of this modulus there's a number. The number is 1. So it's just the same thing anyways. Okay, same thing. This one also positive 3, this one also minus 3. You see, they are just the same thing. Okay, let's solve lah. 9 plus 15 is 24. So x is 24 over berapa tu? 3. It's 8 lah. Okay, this one minus 3x. So 9 minus berapa tu? 15. Okay, so it's minus 6, isn't it? Okay, so x divided by minus 3. So x is 2. Okay, so these are the answers, 8 and 2. Okay, So let's move on to the next one. CD. Okay, D where? Okay, that one. 5 minus 2x. Oh, sorry. 2x equals 4. This one, the same thing. Okay. 5 minus bracket 2x equals 4, or 5 minus 2x equals 4. Okay, as this one a little bit weird, because this one, the in front of the modulus is positive, so we are writing positive and then negative. This one, we do the same thing, it's just that it looks different. Okay, since this one is a negative, we copy paste, still negative, but for this one it's positive. Don't worry so much lah, it's just the same thing anyways. Okay, so 5 minus 2x equals 4. This one, no, bring over lah. What I'm waiting for? 2x is minus 1, I guess. 4 minus 5. X is 1 over 2. Okay, so this one 2x is also minus 1. Yes. And then x is minus 1 over 2. Okay, so let's move on to E. DE is square x squared. I promise you a linear function, but we just do these ones as well. Okay, so for this one, same thing, copy paste technique. Okay, minus 5x minus 1 equals 5, or the negative of it, x squared minus 5x minus 1 equals 5. Okay, so x squared minus 5x minus 1 equals 5. Okay, so we get minus 6 equals 0. Okay, so this one we can solve it, I guess. It's 6, 1 minus plus. So it's x equals 6, x equals minus 1. This one minus x squared plus 5x plus 1 minus 5 equals 0. Okay, so it's minus 4, I think. Yes. In this case, I'm going to simplify it first. X squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. This one can also. So x4, x1, so minus, correct. So x equals 4, x equals 1. So these are the answer for values of x. Okay, let's move on to the sixth one. F is that one. So F 1 minus x squared modulus equals 3. So for this one, just the same thing. Okay, 1 minus x squared equals 3, or 1 minus x squared, negative equals 3. Okay, so this one, 1 minus x squared equals 3, so minus 1. So x squared equals 2 minus 2. This one no solution. Okay, this one no solution. Okay, since if we are going to take the square root, we will get complex number imaginary part. So no need lah. Okay, so x squared equals 4. So we are taking the square root equals plus minus square root of 4, which is plus minus 2. Okay, so that's for F. Okay, let's move on to the next one, G. Okay, but I'm going to padam all these. G is modulus 3 over 2x minus 1 equals 4. So we do the same thing. 3 over 2x minus 1 bracket equals 4, or this one padam also lah. Okay, bracket 3 over 2x minus 1 negative equals 4. Okay, so we break them up. So 3 over, I don't need to 3 over lah. Bring it over there. 4 2x minus 1. This one also minus 3 equals 4 2x minus 1. Okay, so 3 equals 8x minus 4. It's berapa tu? 7 8x. So x is basically 7 over 8. Over this one, 8x minus 4. And then minus 3 minus 4 is 1. 8x. Right? Okay, and then x is 1 over 8. So this is the answer for G. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Okay. GH. H is x plus 2 over x minus 1 equals 5. Okay, so the same thing, x plus 2 over x minus 1 equals 5, or x plus 2 over x minus 1 bracket negative equals 5. Okay, so for this one, x plus 2 equals 5x minus 5. This one minus x minus 2, I expand the negative in the numerator, and then I multiply 5 by x minus 1. Okay, now we can solve it. So minus 4x minus 7. So x is 7 over 4. Okay, so this one is minus 6x. Okay, and then we get minus 3. X is basically 1 over 2. Okay, so these are the answer for H. Yeah? Okay, now, Allah, what happened? Okay. Now, let's answer the last one. Okay, now, I is x plus 4, okay, equals minus 2. Okay, straight away if we look at this, okay, there is no solution. Okay, why? Because the concept of modulus is that it's a distance. It's like a distance. So whatever value that we have here, it must result a positive number. As you can see here, what we get is equals minus 2, which is negative number. So it's not possible. Okay, but if you're using my technique, okay, blindly, okay, then without understanding of absolute values, so you might do this, okay, but I show you anyway what happened. Okay, so let's say like if you proceed, okay, you just ganti everything, okay, 4 equals minus 2, and then you solve it lah kan. X equals minus 6. This one minus x minus 4 minus 2. X equals berapa ni? Minus 2. So x equals minus 2, right? Now, minus 2. So what we are going to do is, we have two values. We are going to test them whether we want to verify them. Okay, so when x equals minus 6, we want to verify this statement. So let's substitute. Minus 6 plus 4 modulus equals minus 2. So we get minus 2 modulus minus 2. So minus 2 equals minus 2. Is it correct? It is not. It is not true. So this is not the solution. X equals minus 6 is not solution. Now let's test for the minus 2. Okay, we do the same thing. We substitute inside the statement. Yeah, so minus 2 plus 4 equals minus 2. Okay, so over here we get 2 modulus minus 2. 2 equals minus 2. It is not true. Okay, so both statements are false. This one is false. This one is false as well. So x equals minus 2 also not a solution for the question that we want. Therefore, no solution. Okay, I hope this video helps you in understanding the concept of absolute value. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.